Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on our flap ball changes. So, let's begin. Before watching this video, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the how to perform a flap step and how to perform a ball change and shuffle ball change. These videos are up on the channel already. I will leave them linked below. For this step, we'll be using the ball of the foot. The ball of the foot is where the triangle tap is on your tap shoe. So standing in parallel, with our knees slightly bent, we are going to rise onto the balls of our feet, and starting with the right leg first, we are going to perform the flap step. We are then going to perform the ball change step with the left leg, transferring our weight from left to right. Making sure that our weight ends up on the right leg. This enables the left leg to become free, so we are able to perform the step again on the left leg. Let's perform that step again on the right leg. Perfect. And one more time. Perfect. We're now going to perform this step on the left leg. So standing in parallel, knees slightly bent, rising onto the balls of our feet, we have the flap step, followed by the ball change with the right leg, making sure that our weight ends up on our left leg, so we're able to perform the step again on the right leg. Perfect. Let's perform the same step again on the left leg, rising onto the balls of our feet. Perfect. And one more time. Perfect. We're now going to perform the flap ball change on our right leg and then the flap ball change on our left leg. Are we ready? Perfect. Let me show you from a side view. So standing in parallel, knees slightly bent, rising onto the balls of the feet, we have perfect. We can perform the flap ball change step travelling forward at a slow tempo, like so. We can also perform this step at a quick tempo, like so. Perfect. We can also perform this step on the spot at a slow and quick tempo, like so. Perfect. And for the quick tempo, we are now going to perform flap ball changes travelling forward. 4 slow flap ball changes followed by 4 quick flap ball changes, transferring our weight from right leg to left leg. So, standing in parallel, knees slightly bent, rising onto the balls of the feet, starting with the slow flaps first, we have perfect. Now for the quick flap ball changes, feet in parallel, knees slightly bent, rising onto the balls of the feet, we have perfect. So there we have it, the flap ball change.